Spending hours creating listings for your AuctionWorks store? Repeating this process for every item can be time-consuming. What if you could simplify this process? Introducing the Excel plugin for AuctionWorks. With this powerful tool, you can create and manage your listings directly from Excel. Just enter your data in Excel. Click a button, and your listings are instantly created in AuctionWorks. Enjoy features like role-specific access. Log in to view data specific to your role. Data import, to view and manage your AuctionWorks listings directly from Excel. Data validation, to ensure accuracy by catching errors and missing info. Drop-down options, to select categories, currencies, and more with ease. Quickly add media files by entering the path of your media storage and clicking Import Media. You will then see the added images. Easily create multiple listings at once. In the listing sheet, you will see the listings now populated with listing IDs. Track all your activities with Export Audit feature. Save time, minimize errors, and boost your productivity. Try the Excel plugin for AuctionWorks today and revolutionize your listing process.